Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEDS Home School. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Day Shift, National Ideal, English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 4. And our today's topic, Chapter 11, C.B.Q-3. Today's lesson number 43. Okay, let us start today's class. At first I am reading the question. You are told to hear the question carefully. Here the question is: Mrs. Meena is entitled to get leave for 3 months, 3 weeks, 12 days. She took leave for 2 months, 4 weeks, 3 days. A number question: how 90 minutes plus 60 minutes is equal to how many hour and minutes? B number question: express her leaving time into days. C number question: how many days leave can she take more? Okay, now we'll solve. A number: here we have to convert 90 minutes plus 60 minutes is equal to hour and minutes. So at first we will write here 90 minutes plus 60 minutes. This is equal to 90 minutes plus 60 minutes is equal to, we know that it's equal to 150 minutes. Now we know that 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So we have to convert these 150 minutes to hours. If we divide 150 by 60, then quotient will be hour and remainder will be minutes. Now we have to divide these 150 by 60. Here 260 or 120 and 360 or 180, which is greater, so have to give 2 times. If you give 2 times, then it should be 120. That means remainder 30 and quotient 2. So this is equal to 2 hours 30 minutes. It will be hour and it will be minutes. 2 hours 30 minutes. And answer will be 2 hours and 30 minutes. We have solved A number question. Now we will solve B number. Express the leaving time into days. Here the leaving time is 2 months, 4 weeks, 3 days. We have convert these 2 months, 4 weeks, 3 days to days. D number: her leaving time is equal to 2 months, 4 weeks, 3 days. 2 months, 4 weeks, 3 days. This is equal to, we can write 2 months plus 4 weeks plus 3 days. Now we have to convert these 2 months into days and these 4 weeks to days. Then we add. We know that 1 month is equal to 30 days. So 2 months is equal to 2 times of 30. That means we have to multiply 2 by 30. Now we cannot write months, we have to write now days. Plus, we know that 1 week is equal to 7 days. So 4 weeks is equal to 4 times of 7. And have to write now days. Another 3 days exist here. This is equal to 32 are 60 days plus 4 sevens are 28 days plus another 3 days exist. Now 3 plus 8 is equal to 11, 11 plus 0 is equal to 11. From 11 we will write 1. Carrying 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 and 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. That means 91 days. Answer 91 days. Students, we have finished B number question. Now we will solve C number. How many days leave can she take more? Here Mrs. Bina entitled to get leave for 3 months, 3 weeks, 12 days. But she took leave for 2 months, 4 weeks, 3 days. And we have converted it into days in B and we have got 91 days. Now we have to convert these 3 months, 3 weeks and 12 days into days. Then we will subtract these 91 days from these days. C number. Here she entitled to get leave for 3 months, 3 weeks, 12 days. We can write it as 3 months plus 3 weeks plus 12 days. We know that 1 month is equal to 30 days. So 3 months is equal to 3 times of 30. That means 3 multiplication 30. Now you have to write days. Plus 1 week is equal to 7 days. So 3 weeks is equal to 3 times of 7. 3 multiplication 7 days. Plus another 12 days. This is equal to 330 or 90 days. 90 days plus 3 sevens are 21 days plus another 12 days. Now we have to add. Here 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 and 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. That means 123 days. She entitled to get 123 days, but from A we get, from B we get she took leave for 91 days. From B we get she took leave for 91 days. Therefore, she can take leave more. She can take leave more is equal to, you have to divide this 91 from 123 days. 123 minus 91 days. If we subtract it, then it will be 32 days. And answer will be 32 days. Students, we have finished our today's class. I hope you have understood today's class. Practice more and more at home. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.